So let's see how to format a particular date slicer. We have seen how to create, but formatting is also required. So in the previous video, I forgot to tell you one thing, that this is a hierarchy which is created. Now it is occupying a lot of space. Okay, I have to dedicate some space for that. So what you can do is you can click on this small drop down and click on this drop down option. Okay, you can select drop down. So the space is occupied is very less. And I can click on this drop down button and keep on expanding the hierarchy and select whatever month or quarter I want. And I can click outside. So this way I can make more use of this space here. Let's see some more features. How to format a date slicer. So I'll click on this slicer and bring the order date. This is the MMDDY format. I can click on this drop down and convert it into date hierarchy. So this is the date hierarchy I have. So again, as I said, it's not that good when you look at the slicer. Why not make it as boxes? So I can go to this format option and click on the general button. And right now, if you have seen the previous video, you have seen how to change the alignment, vertical and horizontal. So right now, the option is not visible. So make sure you delete this day, month and quarter. Okay, delete that day, month and quarter. So when no hierarchy is there, then you can change the alignment as vertical or horizontal. So I'll go to this format option and now I'll click on General. This is the option at the bottom. So I will click on the slicer button and add order date into this box. Now when I add order date, the first thing I have to change this as date hierarchy option. And in this date hierarchy, you can see all the years are there. 2016, 17, 18. So you can go to this format option and we have the option selection controls. You can also click on this select all option. That means sometimes we want to select all buttons. So I can click on select all and all the checkboxes will be selected. The other part would be changing the background and foreground. So if I click on background, I can click on this color and make it as black color. The font should be changed. So I can click on items and change the font color as white. So this way I'll be getting a white color here. There should be a title given, which is there, but it is not visible. So you can search for the title option somewhere and you can also change that title. Yes, title. And here I can write as select the year you want and change the font color to white. Okay, so all the cosmetic options would be visible here in the Format tab itself. And there's an option given as headers. You can select the headers and change the font color of slice headers. That was year, month, and day. If you do not want, you can just disable that option here. Okay, so that's very simple formatting. A date slicer, and you can explore a few more features in this Format tab. Okay, that's all. So I hope you've understood how to format a date slicer in Power BI.